7 Sigma Off-Grid.
So we have dead pigs. That's terrible. Oh. Wow. My husband want me to put my Mac on because we got some new equipment, so I gotta go gear up. You gonna gear me up? You gonna put it on me? Because I don't know what I'm doing. So. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today is organizational day. Today we are going to clean up and clean out one of our shipping containers because we are getting prepared to have our solar equipment and our solar panels delivered. Yay! I'm so excited. We are also going to try to set up our Starlink so that we can have some connection to the outside world, just a little bit of connection. We tried to do it last time we were up here, but my husband forgot to download the app. So this time we got that taken care of. We're going to try to set it up and see if it works. So thank you guys for joining us and thank you for watching, and let's see what happens today. Bye! I'm stalking my husband because he's trying to set up Starlink. And we got the wires coming out the window. Oh God. Look at that. Yeah, this is temporary, of course.
High-tech ingenuity.
Not high-tech ingenuity. We are always doing some temporary bootleg stuff. Do not do as we do, people.
Go. Please. Cool. Now, boom. It worked.
The app worked?
Mm-hmm. Dang, look at this. It's crazy.
So what does that say? Starlink align? Oh, it's
telling me which way to turn it.
Oh.
I had it backwards.
It recognized on the...
I was looking for obstructions.
Oh, that's interesting. So the satellite is actually seeing it? I'm not understanding.
Now it's just searching to see what's blocking the whoop-de-bam. It's taking forever. Oh, alrighty, I didn't read that.
What happened?
The last line. Okay.
It says Starlink usually takes about an hour to...
Calibrating and gathering data on obstructions.
So basically we have to wait for an hour. We can go do some organizing and cleaning while we wait for an hour.
Put your camera up. You can do... See, look, all the satellites. Shiny.
Shiny? Why are you doing that?
Because it's grabbing all the satellites.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
View results.
Oh, cool.
No, it's not
so
gonna
it's
take
really it's really trying to...
Good experience. Everything's good.
Okay.
Clear view. Cool.
That's a modern technology for you. Everything is by phone. Aren't we supposed to be off grid?
Ah, dude.
What?
It's already working. Remember you was trying to take my phone and all the notifications was coming through? Because we're connected.
We finally fixed, or he finally fixed
internet.
Starlink. So we can have a little bit of connection to the world, so we can reach our parents. We have elderly parents and we want to be able to reach them. So we got Starlink. We got Starlink. Yay!
Elderly parents.
So in order to get our Starlink set up, what is this? What is this?
Wi-Fi modem.
This is the Wi-Fi modem, and we had to hook it up. If you can see here.
Power supply.
On there, that is the power supply. We had to hook the Starlink up. That's the Wi-Fi modem. And we hooked it up.
Going outside to the satellite.
Oh, yeah. Going outside to the satellite. Can we see the satellite? Yep, out there. It's on the ground, being bootleg. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We hooked it up.
We'll get it mounted to the house.
To the Blue Eddy.
After we hook up the solar system.
And where are you going to hook it up, sir?
On the front, outside, pointing north.
Aren't you afraid of heights?
No, you gonna do it.
What? No. Do
The
it.
nifty app that shows you're connected and it's got all kinds of little statistics.
Oh, that's cool.
Bam-de-bam-de-bam.
Not the whoop-de-whoop and bam-de-bam. Oh, that's cool. What is that?
How much download speed we're getting.
Wow, so it really tells you everything.
Yep.
Starlink is by who?
Elon.
Elon Musk, all right.
Mr. X.
Thank you, Elon.
Appreciate you.
And the Starlink is only drawing 50 watts. 55 to 50 watts.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
We got internet. Ain't you happy?
We got internet.
We got internets. Make sure you close all these windows. Don't let the internets out.
Don't let the internet out.
So we had a little bit of rain up here a few days ago, and as you can see, we have the beginning of some erosion from the roof line and the secondary eave. That is dropping down into the ground, which is going to cause a lot of erosion over time if I don't address it. You can see here on the back too. These are the same lines that in a previous video, Val was freaking out about somebody was up here doing something. But now it officially rained, and you can see how deep the erosion is. So I am going to have to figure out a solution, which is gonna be for now to run pavers underneath until I can get the gutters installed, which will probably be next year. No rush to try to catch some rainwater once I have the gutters installed. But for now, I'll just run some pavers underneath here to stop that potential Grand Canyon ruts. So I need to measure this so I can know how many pavers to buy and knock this out. Ain't that right, Dougie?
Thanks to our friends at Signature Solar, we've decided to go with the 6000 XP inverter and 3 Life Power version 2 lithium iron phosphate silver rack batteries with the enclosed battery rack and a full pallet of 26 420 watt solar panels totaling 11,000 kilowatts of solar power. So head over to signaturesolar.com and use the affiliate link in the description below to save on your purchases site-wide.
Okay, so I'm going to show you all the mess that we have to organize in the shipping container. We have a lot of stuff that we still have to figure out how we're going to organize so that we can at least store our equipment and panels until we get it set up. We did move a few items into the other shipping container over there, but we still have a lot to go. And all of this is what we have to organize. Maybe move some things to the back, possibly put some things in the house, but we have to figure out how to make some room in here so that we can store our solar equipment and solar panels until we are able to get it set up. And I'm going to follow my husband and see how he's going to do this. And I'm just here for the support.
It's a hot mess.
It's a hot mess. It is a hot mess. How are we going to organize this hot mess? You know, you never really think about the mess that you're creating until you have to do something to fix your mess.
Until you gotta clean it up.
Maybe we can put something in the house. No?
There's no room in that house. Barely enough room for me and you and the dog in the house.
How big of a space do you need to?
Enough for a pallet, extended pallet.
One pallet?
Extended size pallet.
I don't know what that is.
They're gonna be longer than that. Same width, 48 inches,
So
but it's gonna be longer.
So possibly push everything to the back so when they come, they could just put it right here, right?
Who's they? We are the they.
Oh, we are the they?
Yes, we.
They're not coming up here to deliver?
No.
Well, what you need me to do?
Nothing.
Just sit here and look out for you, make sure no deers are coming? Or nothing is running down the hill? Luckily, it's not poo-poo water.
Yeah, it is.
It's just muddy water.
It's not mud.
Oh, it's not?
Nope.
How?
That was you after you ate that Mexican food.
That's terrible. It was not.
See there? This is love right here. See this?
That is not love.
This is love. I will clean your poop. Not.
Don't listen to him, guys. It's mud.
Ain't no way in hell I'm gonna clean your poop.
Wait, but you wouldn't clean my poop if I'm old?
Nope. Just gotta get a nurse.
Oh, that's terrible. Y'all see how he treat me? He told me I have to get a nurse. I'll remember that when I get 80 years old.
No, you won't, because you'll be 80 years old.
That's smart. You have your hooks up there so we can hang things and items. You need a little bit more hooks because you can hook some stuff back here too, right?
A lot more hooks.
Yeah.
Need.
It's always a need.
Need.
As you grow, the more you need. You try to be a minimalist, but sometimes that's hard to do.
That ain't gonna happen.
What, being a minimalist?
Yep. Not at 56 years old. Nope.
This shows you how much of a minimalist we are. We are not. I just want to show you, this bag used to be white. What? How, Sway? How? That's terrible. Good job on the progress.
Well, thank you.
It should be enough room, right?
Yep.
You look way better than the before.
Yep.
So he finally got the container all organized. It looks way better than it did at the beginning. I'm just gonna do a turnaround here.
Now we can get a pallet of solar panels in here.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay. We can get some stuff in here. We have this nice little cleared out space right here. He even organized, look at that. Look at that. Oh, organization. But great job on organizing the shipping container, and now we are ready for the next step, which is the delivery of our solar equipment and our solar panels. And I can't wait till they come so then we can start getting ready to prepare to get them set up.
Yep, that'll do it.
And we are done. We are going to walk over to our solar field where we have decided to put our solar panels, and it's gonna be not too far from the house.
100 feet.
How many?
100 feet.
100 feet.
What's up, fool? Look at this clown.
Oh, he got a stick. Okay, so where?
Up there in that clearance. You need to clear all of this out. I'm gonna run from there to here. So I need to come weed whack and remove some rocks.
Okay. So our solar panels.
Somewhere probably from here. It's gonna be 22 panels. It's about right here somewhere.
22 panels. You think that's a large enough space?
Yep.
For 22 panels?
11 and 11. They're not gonna be 22 straight.
What's the measurement of each panel?
I don't know.
Oh. You
Like
walk
5 feet by something.
Yeah. And we have to build a base.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. All right.
It's gonna be fun.
We are going to have our panels right here next to our temporary tank, but not too far from the house. We couldn't have it all the way up there.
Up at the vortex.
At the other side of the property because it was too far. And we're thinking about putting some other structures up there.
Too far to run wire.
Yeah, it's too far to run wire. We're thinking about putting some other structures up there at a later time. So we couldn't do it that far, but I think this is perfect. Although I was thinking about making the back area gardening.
Or front.
Or the front,
All
yeah.
that down there is prime.
Yeah, that's true. But if we make it in the front, it makes it easy for people to come and steal our food. And I don't want that. So,
food thieves.
The food thieves, right. So anyway, this is where our panels will be, and we will show you the process when we start setting up here.
Domestic duties.
This is not domesticness, it's just being clean.
Domestic duties. What you say? Hey, what you say?
7 Sigma. Off-grid.